another story. This is not another drill. I refuse to be another number now. Never staying down, this is something real.